Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to find items to sell on eBay. So here are some of the best places to find items. So we have charity shops, items that you and your family don't use anymore, sell items for people and take commission, and items from China to resell. So the first thing is items from charity shops or thrift stores. Charity shops or thrift stores are a great way to find things to resell on eBay, as sometimes the people pricing the items can underestimate their value and sell them for really cheap, which is good because if you know its true value, then you can buy it and sell it for a big profit on eBay. This is a really good option if you have good knowledge of the value of clothes and shoes, as they are commonly sold in these shops, and you will know if it's a good idea to buy and resell them. Another good reason that these are a good place to find items to sell is that they will normally get new stock in quite often, as lots of people donate, so there will always be new products for you to go in and try and buy to sell. Make sure that when you're deciding if you should buy an item or not, you take into consideration the postage and packaging costs and the fees, just so you know if you're going to make a profit from the sale. The second way of finding items is selling things that you and your family don't use anymore. So as you get older, there becomes more things that you own which you don't use anymore, and they just end up taking up space. So these are a good thing to sell, as it will free up space, and you didn't use them anyway, so you won't be losing out on anything. All you need to do is look up the item on eBay and decide what price you're going to sell it for, and I would recommend pricing it slightly cheaper than what other people are selling it for, as this will give you a higher chance of selling. If you're trying to sell items that your family don't use anymore, make sure they're okay with you selling them, as they might just give you part of the money for selling it, or they won't want you selling it at all. So the third thing is sell items for people and take commission. This method is great for people starting an eBay business with little or no money. All you need to do is find people like friends or family who want their old items selling but don't have time to sell them, so they will give you part of the money for selling them. This is a great way to start your business and start making money to expand the business and be able to buy products to resell and make more money. I made another video all about how to use this method, so go and watch it if you're interested in learning more. Buy items from China to resell. One great way to find products to sell on eBay is looking on websites such as Wish, AliExpress, where you can find cheap products that come straight from Chinese manufacturers, so they're cheap. This is really good because they are really cheap to buy, so you can make a good profit when selling them on eBay. You just need to try and find a product that is high demand for and is cheap to post, because postage is normally the most expensive cost. You also want to try and find an item where there's not much competition on eBay. Just make sure that when you read the delivery times for the item you're buying, as it can take a long time to come if you're ordering from China, and you don't want to be waiting for ages. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure that you take postage and fees that eBay and PayPal take from you when you're pricing or deciding if you should buy an item or not. Some methods to finding products to sell are easier than others, so you just need to find out which one you prefer or use multiple methods. So if you did enjoy this video, please leave it a like, comment and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching guys, see you later.